This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to cancel your Cursor account. So you're logged into Cursor, you want to say goodbye, you want to actually leave the platform. How do you do that? Well, I'm logged in to the Cursor backend here. We're on the main default overview, as you can see here in the sidebar. I'll show you what that page actually looks like, cursor.com/dashboard. So I'll put that in the video description, so you can just click that link, find yourself here. Now, the way to actually cancel your account, you will come all the way down in the sidebar to billing and invoices. Once we've clicked there, you'll see the current plan you have. Mine is the Pro plan right here. We can adjust the plan if you want to actually downgrade or upgrade right there. But the way to actually do it is to click cancel. At the bottom here, it says cancel. We'll be sad to see you go. You will click that cancel button right there. It will then give you a final notification. I'm not going to cancel my subscription as I quite like it. But if you want to cancel Cursor, you will click that final cancel button right there that I'm hovering over. This grey button. It says cancel subscription. If you cancel your subscription, you will lose access to premium models, have limited tab completions, and have fewer agent requests. Essentially, you would be downgrading to the free plan. If you want to do that, click cancel subscription and your subscription is cancelled. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.